So one design feature of the MaxPro 24 that we got a lot of requests for was to have a universal right and left hand design. So the idea here is the machine is symmetrical on each side. We don't have an electrical cabinet here, which means this HMI, it can actually be taken off and mounted over here. So the machine is actually going to ship with some holes pre-drilled and tapped right here so that you can move that as needed in the field. It makes it very easy if you have a right and a left-handed work cell. And the machine can adapt for all of those configurations. Another feature that we have is a Zebra printer. This is a ZT610. It's a brand new printer from Zebra. So if we open this up, we can see the output reel, take-up reel, and the print head itself is right in here. So that's where it prints thermally to transfer the ink directly onto the film, so there's no sticker label. Very easy to thread to just put a new core on here, slide a new core in and pull the ribbon around and wind it up. We also offer a barcode reader to make sure that we have a legible barcode being printed. So that mounts right on the head of the printer. And this whole thing can be positioned right and left on your bag. And we can also move the print up and down as needed. The fact that it's a Zebra also means that you tend to run into much fewer issues with ZPL rendering versus if you had another brand printer that has to interpret the ZPL. This is a Zebra right out of the gate, so it makes integration very simple. The next thing we'll talk about is the HMI. So when you're logged in as an operator, there's only two pages that you can get to, which is the operator dashboard and the support page. So we'll go ahead and pull up the support page. This has our phone number. We have the serial number of the bagger. And the other thing is TeamViewer. So if you call that service hotline, you give them their serial number, and we'll know everything about the bagger as it's shipped. And if that TeamViewer icon up there turns green, it means that we're actually able to get in remotely and we can get all of the log information that we need. We can do software updates of the whole bagger. So we've got really advanced diagnostics from that standpoint. We go back to the operator dashboard. Again, what an operator would be seeing. They've got a lot of status information like what their printer's doing, is the machine up to temperature. And the other thing that they can do is load the different jobs. So if someone else has pre-configured them, like I've got a wide and a narrow for the demo today, I can just select narrow and I can hit load and the whole machine will reconfigure itself. So when you go to thread film through this, which is very easy to do, you can do a complete changeover in this machine in a matter of a couple of minutes, and it'll change all of the mechanical things. You don't have to get out tape measures. You don't need complicated instruction manuals. You just load the job.